Who would not like a way to tighten the skin on your face, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, make your eyes look bigger and brighter, and even decrease the look of large pores, all from the comfort of home using one non-invasive device? I'm going to tell you what it is, how it works, and why you should think about using it all in today's video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and not familiar with who I am, I'm Chris Gibson, a 36-year skincare expert. Yeah, that's a long time. Been doing this for a while, helping people find skincare that will work for them, not empty their wallet, and not do them more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content you've been looking for here on YouTube, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe, because today we are going to be talking about a device that a lot of you guys have been asking me to review. It's just taken a while, and that is the DermaWand Pro. Now, I got a lot of requests for the DermaWand, but this is actually what I would like to call the souped up version. 50% stronger than that original version, and we're going to talk about what it can actually do for your skin. You all know I'm a big geek when it comes to skincare devices and therapies that you can use at home, like RF therapy, red light therapy, microcurrent, all of those very exciting technologies that actually do provide benefits to people, both in a salon setting, of course it costs a lot more money, but also at home. And this is one of those at-home devices that actually was one of the first on the market to do RF therapy, which is radio frequency warming of the top layers of the skin to help improve the look, the plumpness, the firmness, and encourage that collagen production. So DermaWand, been around for a while, but this is the new DermaWand Pro. And I want to thank the DermaWand company for providing this device for me to test out. Been testing it out about a month and a half with some really great results. I'm going to share that with you. I'm also going to be doing a quick demonstration on how this works, which is one of the key benefits. You use it twice a day for just 3 minutes. That's what they recommend. I typically use it in the morning, and in the evening. It just makes it easier to remember and fit into my routines of what I'm going to be doing for the day. But I definitely want to show you how it works, because again, it has the RF therapy, microcurrent stimulation, and it also provides oxygenation of the upper layers of the skin, improving that superficial blood flow that I talk about here on the channel all the time to help get you healthier looking skin, bring in nutrients and oxygen up to the skin cells where they can be used. Now, it's also very important to start with clean skin and make sure that your skin is moisturized before using the DermaWand, because we want that moisture in the skin to help conduct that RF therapy down into the skin layers where it can actually do some work. Now, this particular device comes with a travel bag, which is very nice, but it also comes with a pre-face treatment that you can use, and also a skin quench moisturizer that can be used in the process of using this device. So let's take a quick moment and just go through how it works. As I said, you want to start with clean, hydrated skin. Now, I'm going to use and apply this pre-face treatment. This is what it looks like right here. And I'm just going to dab that in around on my face where I'm going to be applying the device. Okay, so obviously I have the device plugged in and I have it on. Now, there are settings of strength on here. And when you start using this type of device, as any of the devices I've talked about, you always want to start on the lowest setting so that you can get used to the way this is going to feel. You can also try it on the back of your hand first, so you kind of get an idea. But it really is not a bad sensation. It's more of a tingling stimulation that you feel on the skin. Not bad at all. But as you get used to it, you can turn it up in strength for better and better results. So now that we've applied the pre-face treatment, I'm going to begin using the device. And you use sweeps. And you want to make sure the device is touching your skin so that your skin is getting the stimulation. You can kind of hear the sound that it's making as it infuses the outer layers of my skin with the RF microcurrent stimulation, just very gently over your skin. They call this the 3-minute sweep, which means you do this for 3 minutes. This is the main thing that you're going to do 3 times a day. There are also specific targeted exercises for areas of the face you may want to spend more time on, about another 30 seconds or so, to help lift and tone the area around the eyes, which it's very, very effective at. If you have nasolabial folds, it can be very helpful there. Again, the overall sweep, 3 minutes, but then they have very specific exercises. So for this video, I'm going to concentrate on my eyes. Now, you want to use this device on the lowest settings for the eyes. You do not want to blow it out on your eyelids or under your eyes. It will provide a very uncomfortable sensation if you do that. Now, I've set this device on level 2 for me, and I'm going to do about a 30-second sweep around each of the eyes to help lift and tighten the eye area. It stimulates those muscles and it's going to give my eyes a bigger, brighter look. And then we're going to look at a before and after treatment photo so you can see the difference. And I'm just going right above my upper eyelid on the brow bone. I also like to pay close attention to my crow's feet areas and make sure that I get those very, very well. And when you've completed your session, you want to make sure that you unplug the device. Don't leave it plugged in because it's active when it's plugged in. There's not an on and off switch. All right, now I'm going to show you guys the difference between the photo I took before I started the video and the one after doing the treatment. You can see the difference. My face looks more awake. My eyes look much wider and brighter. And what fine lines and wrinkles and a little bit of crow's feet that I do have are very much minimized. Now, when you start doing this, you will see instantaneous results, but they don't last super long. They'll last for an hour or so, but as you do the treatment day after day, this non-invasive therapy will have results that last longer and longer. And you can go to their website. I'm going to put a link down below for you to go check this device out, and you can take a look at the unretouched before and after pictures of people that have been using this device for about a month, and they get some pretty impressive results. Now, as always, if you decide to use this device, please come back to the video and let us all know how it worked for you. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin aging, be sure to check out this video that's coming up next. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. I appreciate you. Stay beautiful. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you over on that next video.